Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to access your Gemini API key. First, navigate to the Google AI Studio website. Once there, you'll need to sign in with your Google account. After successfully logging in, look for the Get API Key section, which is usually prominent on the main dashboard. This is your starting point for generating and managing your keys. Once you're in the API Key section, simply click the Create API Key button. A new, unique key string will be generated for you. It's crucial to copy this key immediately and store it securely. Avoid leaving it exposed in your browser or on public platforms. You can also manage existing keys from this page, including options to delete or regenerate them if needed. Now that you have your API key, the next step is to integrate it into your application. You'll typically embed this key in your code to authenticate your requests to the Gemini API. For enhanced security, it's highly recommended to use environment variables rather than hard-coding the key directly. This practice helps protect your key from accidental exposure and ensures your API calls are properly authorized. Maintaining the security of your API key is paramount. Never hard-code your key directly into publicly accessible code repositories. Instead, use secure methods like environment variables. Regularly rotating your API keys adds another layer of protection against potential breaches. Also, for those interested in improving their financial mindset, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.